Switching from T-Mobile to Mint Mobile is simple if you follow the right steps. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to move your number, choose the right Mint plan, and activate without issues. What you need before switching. Keep these ready: your T-Mobile account number, your temporary port-out PIN, your billing zip code, and unlocked phone. These prevent almost all transfer problems. Step 1. Get your transfer PIN. Log into your T-Mobile account to generate your transfer PIN. In the T-Mobile app, go to Account, Profile Settings, Line Settings, Request a Transfer PIN. On t-mobile.com, go to My Account, Profile, Line Settings, Request a Transfer PIN. If port-out protection is on, go to Manage Add-ons, Services, and turn it off. If you're on T-Mobile Prepaid, call 1-800-937-8997. Step 2. Choose your Mint plan. Mint offers 5 GB, 15 GB, 20 GB, and unlimited plans. You'll start with a 3-month intro price. After that, renew for 3, 6, or 12 months. Longer plans cost less per month. Choose based on your real data usage. Step 3. Activate Mint. Download the Mint mobile app or visit their website. During activation, enter your account number, your transfer PIN, your billing zip code. Important tips: do not cancel T-Mobile before activation. If moving multiple lines, transfer secondary lines first, transfer the primary line last. After activation, your number transfers automatically, your T-Mobile service cancels automatically, and most transfers are completed the same day. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. Switching to Mint is worth it if you want lower monthly costs without losing T-Mobile coverage. If this helped, like, subscribe, and follow Tekzoid for simple, honest tech guides.